So this is German Shepherd Colby. Let's unclip him completely. Yeah. So he's got a lot of distractions. We've got the e-collar on, and the baseline is on 0. And we're going to call the dog. Instantly he's chasing.
Colby.
He wants to get in.
Come!
Call him.
Come!
He doesn't even want to listen.
Come!
Let him discharge. So the first thing we're going to do, watch me, as you say come, I will apply the vibrate. Okay, call him.
Come! Come!
He doesn't want to listen. He's going for other dogs. So for this particular dog, the vibrate has no value. So we're going to go up to 5.
Colby,
Call
come!
him now.
Come!
Yeah. He still doesn't want to listen.
Colby, come!
So with him, we got up to 15.
Good boy.
It goes up to 127. But the point is he recalled. He's discharged again.
Colby,
Call him again.
Come!
Yeah.
Good boy. Good boy. Well done.
He discharges again as he does that. So call him into heel now.
Colby, heel. Good boy. Heel.
So you don't need the Colby, you just need the heel. Yeah. He
Heel.
discharges. I put a correction in again.
Good boy.
Yeah.
Heel.
He discharges. I put a correction again.
Good boy.
He discharges. I put a correction again. Now stop telling him heel. If he wants it to shut off, he must return autonomously to you. Yeah.
I would like to remind people that there is a government legislation that gives farmers the right, quite rightly, to shoot a dog on site. On site. Not if it's killed a farm animal, just on site. So, you know, the importance of recall, especially when you're in the countryside, is incredibly important. If you want to join our Ecollar training module, please feel free to contact us.
So what we want to do is walk towards the goats, which is a big risk. And let him discharge now. So distractions again. Call him.
Come! Come!
Distractions again.
Come! Yes! Yes, my boy! Oh, yes! Good
So
boy.
ordinarily,
Come!
he's not listening. Correction, straight in.
Yes,
Yeah.
my boy.
Walk past those goats.
Well done. Good boy.
He makes a move. Correct him. Correct him.
Come!
Yeah. He's not
Come.
coming. We go up. We go up.
Good boy.
And we went up to 28 because the distraction was quite intense for him. Call him again.
Come!
And put him in a heel now. And I'm going to keep him in that heel with you.
Heel.
Walk towards me.
Good boy. Heel. Good boy. Heel. Heel.
Call him into heel.
Heel. Good boy.
Lots of praise. Jackpot him now with a treat.
Good boy. Heel. Yes. Good
Right, we're going to keep him in a healing motion with some positive reinforcement, right? There we go.
Heel.
So he discharges, he'll get a nick. There, he discharged, he got a nick.
Good
Yeah.
boy.
He
Heel.
discharged.
Heel. Good boy.
How else would you have got this dog back? This is real training, real time. Look at these vulnerable animals. a farmer would have shot this dog. Walk forward again.
Good
Okay?
boy. Good boy.
Good, you've done well. Good boy. He's looking. He wants to go. He wants to go. Straight back in.
Good lad.
Yep. No command.
Good boy.
Yep. How do I shut it off? Good lad. Good lad. That was a nice one, wasn't it?